Hello everyone, welcome to the certification course in Hypermesh. In this tutorial, we are going to see Introduction to Hypermesh, Graphical User Interface that is GUI of Hypermesh, functions of few mouse buttons, tabs and menu. Graphical User Interface. So Hypermesh GUI, as we have seen in our last tutorial, it looks like this. Again, the conventional menus: title bar, file, edit, view, collectors, geometry. Okay, the toolbars will be on top, on the left hand side and on the bottom line. Okay, this region is called the main menu. Main menu pages are there: 1D, 2D, 3D, command window. Okay, this is known as the tab area. Here we import the model, components, parts, properties, etc. And this, the gray area, is known as the graphics area. Okay, so we'll see this complete structure in our Hypermesh. Also, I will tell you about the mouse buttons. Okay, so I will go to Start menu. I have Hypermesh 2019 installed. I will start Hypermesh 2019. So here we are. At the starting itself, it will ask for user profile, which user profile you are going to model or mesh. So either it can be your radios. This totally depends upon the analysis, radios analysis, OptiStruct, okay, Abacus, okay, LS-DYNA. Generally for LS-DYNA, we work on LS-DYNA, so we'll use LS-DYNA profile. Okay, it depends on problems. You can use radios profile, OptiStruct profile. Okay, this is the options, this are the profiles we can work on. Okay, so for now, time being, I will use as a profile. I will put okay. So this is what it was told in the presentation. Okay, this complete bar is title bar. These are toolbars. Okay, the file menu will have new, open, save, save as. Okay, new, open, save. Here few import options are there, like import. What we will do, import. I will click on this option. Okay, so either we can import one complete model, so okay, we can import solver deck, we can import CAD geometry. So we'll import CAD. I will show you import how to import CAD. Okay, file type, it will auto detect the file type. Okay, so I will tell you how manually you can select CATIA files. You can take whatever we will model in 3D modeling, CATIA V6 and all. IGES Creo file. Okay, DXF files we can take, we can import. JT files we can import. Okay, NX files we can import. Okay, SolidWorks step files and etc. So always keep here option as auto detect. So auto detect I will keep option, and I will open this. Okay, I will take one file. I'm having this phm3 IGS. I will copy this and I will open this folder. Okay, and give the same file path wherever that is situated, that file is located. Okay, hierarchy as parts. Okay, target units here as per CAD units or MKS units, so always keep as CAD units, whatever the units we are using, you are using for CAD. Okay, so that you can import. So this is our component. So what I'm doing, see, when I press the control key, continuous press the control key and left mouse button, I am able to rotate the component. Okay, similarly control key long press and scroll, I am able to zoom in and zoom out. Similarly control long press plus the right button, I am able to pan, I am able to move. Okay, so these are the usage of mouse button. In all three cases you have to use control button continuously, control button. Okay, so again coming to tabs and menu. So this was all about import. Again after the meshing we have the option as export. Again we can export it as the same, whatever import options were there we can export it as it is. Okay, export solver deck, the mesh, whatever the mesh will be there we can export it. Okay, we can export the JT file as well, this complete CAD. Okay, we can export with surface or solids. Okay, mesh won't be exported in this option. Okay, and both for mesh and solid you can export with this export model. Okay, okay, then this option, this you can see a human face. This is nothing but the very starting option. I told you, the profile. We can change profile from here. Okay, so these are some of the few of the basic options. Okay, again this XY plane, I can view my component in XY plane, YX plane, ZX plane. Okay, isometric view. So these are the basic views. Undo and redo are there, pan, rotate, zoom options, whatever we performed with mouse, zoom in, zoom out. So these are the those options. Okay, these are vertical toolbars. Okay, this we'll see one by one when we'll proceed to FE meshing. This we will see one by one. Okay, besides this, these are again toolbars. The first option is of assembly. By using these we can create one assembly. Okay, suppose I am creating one assembly, any name random ABC, and suppose I am moving this component into that assembly, create. So the assembly will be created having this as component. We can select multiple components and create one single assembly. Similarly, we can create component. The second option will create one component, any one component. Properties we can create. Okay, material we can create here, material we can create here, properties we can create. So one by one we'll see card edit, okay, delete options, and this auto, by part, topo, we'll see one by one as we'll proceed. This mesh wireframe, mesh solid, okay, surface wireframe, surface solid, this shaded, we'll see one by one. See, wireframe, surface. Okay, so as we'll proceed you will come to know these options. Okay, this is main menu pages and main menu. This 1D, 2D, 3D, analysis, tools, same options and same things are in this title bar. Okay, suppose mesh, create, line mesh, 2D mesh, auto mesh, mid surface mesh. We'll see one by one how to create mesh, translate, how to translate nodes, components, parts, rotate, scale. These all operations we'll see when we'll proceed with the meshing part. Okay, so this is title bar. Okay, these are toolbars. Okay, and this is our graphical user interface. Also, this is the tab area where we can see our assembly, components, materials, parts, properties, everything. It will be like tree. This is known as tab area. Okay, so this is it. This was about the graphical user interface of HM. Also, we have seen the functions of mouse button. I will just quickly brush up that. Okay, so control long press and left mouse button. Okay, left mouse button, it will be rotate option, scroll key, zoom in, zoom out, and right one, it will be pan. Okay, so thanks for watching this tutorial. We will meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.